Today we're going to practice subtracting whole numbers and regrouping. First we're going to start with 463 minus 275. When I am going to subtract these, I want to make sure that I line them up, and I need to make sure that I line up the place value. So I'm going to start by putting 463, one number per box, and then I'm going to make sure that I line up the ones, tens, and hundreds. 2 under the hundreds, 7 under the tens, and 5 under the ones. I'm going to draw a line, and I'm subtracting. The first thing I need to say to myself is, what is 3 minus 5? And I can't take away 5 if I only have 3. So I need to come to my tens column and regroup. So I'm going to cross off my 6 tens, and I'm only going to have 5 left because I'm going to take 1 and regroup it. And my 10 ones and my 3 ones are now going to be 13 ones. I can continue to do my trades, or I can do my subtracting. I'm going to continue to do all of my trades first. I'm going to check and see. 5 minus 7. I can't do it, so I need to do another regrouping. I'm going to take the hundreds column, cross off the 4 hundreds. I'm going to have 3 hundreds, and when I take the 100 and I turn it into tens, I'm going to have 10 of them. 10 tens plus 5 tens is 15 tens, and now I can do all of my subtracting. 13 minus 5 is 8. 15 minus 7 is 8. And 3 minus 2 is 1. I'm going to do one more problem, and this is going to be a problem with a 0 in it. We are going to subtract 308 minus 229. Now when we subtract 229 from 308, we need to line up our places. So I'm going to write 308, and underneath it I'm going to make sure I have my hundreds under my hundreds, my tens under my tens, and my ones under my ones. I draw a line, I put my subtraction sign. 8 minus 9, I can't do. If I only have 9, I can't take 8, so I need to regroup. And I hate it when I go to regroup and there's nothing there to regroup. So I'm going to cross that off, but then I need to hop over and go to my hundreds. Now, I'm not going to bring 100 ones over here. That wouldn't make a whole lot of sense, would it? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that 100, I'm going to have 2 hundreds left, and I'm going to turn them into 10 tens. Now I have 10 tens in the tens column, and now I can get my ones. So I'm going to cross that off. I'm now going to have 9 tens, and now I will have 18 ones to work with. 18 ones minus 9 ones, I can do that. 9 minus 2, I can do that, and 2 minus 2, so I'm ready to go. So 18 minus 9 is 9. 9 minus 2 is 7. And 2 minus 2 is 0. I could put a 0 here, but in 5th grade, I would not. So our answer would be 79.
Made with Doodlecast Pro.